Well, hi there folks, it's Matt Hayson here looking at this week's Sydney property market. Plenty going down, let's get into it. Starting with headline inflation, which has come through lower than expected during the course of the week, falling from 6.8% down to 5.8%. Now this fall's been largely attributed to falling fuel costs, which have fallen by 8% through the course of this year, and also a drop in holiday travel and accommodation. Now, as a result of this, the chances of a rate increase next week have fallen by 30%. That said, underlying inflation has barely moved, and this would be quite concerning for the RBA. We can see that there are ongoing broader price pressures around goods and services which are persisting, and as a result, and sadly for all of us, it is still expected that the RBA will look to lift the cash rate next week to 4.35%. Now, we may be seeing a direct impact of this high rate environment and, of course, the high cost of living. What we've detected over the course of the last fortnight or so is just a little shift in overall buyer sentiment and confidence, as buyers are now becoming a touch more conservative in this high rate environment and certainly sticking to their budgets when they do look to make an offer. From a seller's perspective, the time on market is still very positive, but we're just losing a little bit of that buyer FOMO and that buyer urgency in the market. Last week, the overall auction clearance rate in Sydney came through at 56.1%. That was a little lower than the week prior, and as many people would know, New South Wales school holidays kick off this week, so it's going to be very interesting to see how this market performs over the holiday period. We'll be monitoring very closely buyer sentiment, time on market, and of course property prices, particularly if the cash rate is increased next week. So that's what's going down in and around the property market this week. We've got some great homes open for inspection for everybody to have a look at, and our entire team looks forward to seeing you out and about. I'll catch you all next week.